In this video, I'm going to show you how you can replace your windshield wiper blade on a 2019 Chevy Silverado 1500. The first thing that you'll do is you'll just reach over and grab the windshield wiper rod itself, and you'll pull the sucker out. If this is the first time that you've done this, you may want to put a towel down here, because as soon as we remove this, if this was to fall back and snap back in like such, it could damage your windshield. So make sure that you have some sort of protection. So what I do is I normally just take the little piece of plastic and set it right there, so if it does fall, it falls onto that and not onto the windshield. So to remove this wiper blade is a little different than your standard J-hook. This little tab right here just gets flicked up. And then once that's flicked up, you can pull the wiper blade down and out from there. Now remember what I said about that little plastic? See how I can set it on there and not on the windshield? That's what you want to be able to do. So now we're going to go ahead and replace it with a standard J-hook. This is just a 22-inch wiper blade. We'll go ahead and do the reinstall. Now to do the reinstallation, you can just grab this little tab right here and you can just fish it through like so, and then into the J-hook, and then press it forward until it clicks. So I have the J-hook portion, I've slide it inside and then push it forward until it clicks, and then she's locked in there. Now if I had to remove this because you have a different style J-hook at home, you can go ahead and place this forward. There's a little tab here. You can pull a tab back in, grab the wiper blade, pull it towards you. Sometimes you can take the tab, you can press the tab out like such, and then it comes out a whole bunch easier. So we're going to show you guys again on the passenger side how you can do this. What we'll do here is we'll just take this little tab that you can see here, we'll depress it, grab the wiper and pull it out. So all I'm doing is I'm taking this tab here and I'm pulling the tab down, and you can see this tab has a little tiny hook in it, and that's what hooks into the J-hook here. To reinstall, press it in, clip it in, and she's locked. To remove it, pull the tab down, pull the wiper blade towards you, get it out of the J-hook, and reinstall.